Hello, boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper of Saturday. Yes, Saturday, July the 10th, 2021. Yes, it's weekend. Two puzzles to go. I will do first the binary, then I will do the tectonic. But this one, binary puzzle, will be a number 3078. Before I start, I always count the not the printed digits. I want to know what kind of a binary puzzle this is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's in this column, so the rest are ones. Alright. Double O, here one, there one. And a double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones, wait. Double 1, here no, there no. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. If I place the fourth O, 1, 2, 3, this is number 4, then I still have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have. So the rest are ones. Alright. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. We have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then. Let me see. 3. I think I need to compare. Yeah, we need to compare. Let me see. No double O here. No, it's not the same. Double 1 here. No, I think we need to compare the rows. 1001. Do we have a 1001 here? No. Double O here. This row and that row. Empty box. 11. 11. 11 empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Finish in 4 minutes. Alright. Great. Binary. I like this one. Only one time for comparing. And I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle of today in this additional. It will be a tectonic one with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.